mga politika na tiwali, yari Ben Barubal. Nandito na yung pinakamagtago ka. Kung isa ka sa kanila, hamalas ka. Pag nakita ka niya, hayari kang talaga. Yung mga politikong di parehas sa bansang Pilipinas, pinipilas ng pinakamaangas nating bida na si Ben Barubal.
O Jack, nakaredy na ba si Matibag?
Oo, Ben, nakaredy na.
Okay, Matibag, pasok! Nadambalasik yung entrance ah. Lang niya bilog na bilog yung tiyan ah. Mukhang maraming nakain ah. Binusog muna ng amo bago sinalang ah. Masyado nyo naman binusog, baka pumutok yung jacket niyan. Big time siguro yung amo niyan. Painumin nyo muna ng tubig, baka mahirinan yan. O ano pa hinihintay nyo? Panumpain nyo na yan.
Kindly remain standing, Director Matibag. The clerk will kindly administer the oath to the witness.
Ayan na, manunumpa na yung chismoso.
Kindly turn on the mic of the clerk of court.
You,
O ikaw daw.
Melvin A. Matibag,
Lang yan sa bayo ko eh.
do swear
Uy, do swear daw.
that the evidence you shall give
Lang yan, lalim lang hinga. Yung bata nyo naninigas eh oh.
in the case now pending between the Philippines and Vice President Cyrus Zimmerman Duterte shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Sumpa-sumpa ka pa sang naka.
Uy, wag ka magbura.
Sa sarap mong mambolat ang ina mo.
Putragis ka, wag ka magbura. Direktor ng NBI yan. Mamaya mapikon yan, sampalin ka ng maleta niyan. Hindi mo ba nakikita, busog na busog yan? Masama magbiro sa taong busog, tanda mo yan. Ano ba naman kasi ang witness nyo, di malaman kung natatai eh. Sa sobrang laki ng tiyan, kala mo nakalunok ng maleta eh. Kabadong kabado eh. Mas kabado ka pa sa bisitang naki-CR, tapos ayaw lumubog nung tae. Kala ko sasabunutan yung sarili, gagi. Dapat bago nyo sinalang, chinek nyo muna yung BP eh. Kakaumpisa pa lang parang gusto ng bumachi eh. Sa sobrang kaba, dapat pinainom nyo dyan, gin eh. NBI director ba to? Hindi pa nag-uumpisa, nangingitim na yung witness nyo. Nakataas pa yung kamay, kala mo maneki-neko. Tambol na lang kulang, kamukha niya na yung leader ng Halabira sa Pacheco.
But not with Las Cañas, who is the author of that document.
Hasn't answered po, Your Honor. Hasn't answered po, Your Honor.
The presiding officer would like to remind the witness to kindly avoid making a ruling for and behalf of the presiding officer.
Pasensya na po, Your Honor.
But the gentleman would have been correct. The presiding officer would have said the same thing. Thank you for saving me the trouble. But try to avoid that, Director Matibag.
Sorry po, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank
Counsel
you.
may proceed.
All right.
Ano ba naman kayo, kinakabahan na nga, pinagtatawanan nyo pa eh. Ikaw naman kasi hindi mo linya, bakit mo sinasabi? Pati linya na may linya, nanakawin mo pa eh. Manang-mana ka talaga sa amo mo, magnanakaw din eh. Ang yabang-yabang mo, kala ko fireworks, pasabog, posporo lang pala. Scripted talaga sinasabi, miski hindi niya linya. Gusto yata neto ni Matibag, 3 na sila. Hoy, hindi ka presiding officer, witness ka. Kala ko kung anong pasabog, lusis lang pala eh. Napaka-chismoso mo, kalalaki mong tao eh. Inuuna mo kasi yung yabang eh. Sa sobrang yabang, script ni Chis yung nasabi niya eh. Sasabihin mo 29 years ka sa pagkaabogado tapos tinitibag ka lang ng bata. Yung tipong excited ka sa pasabog tapos nagkalat ka lang pala. Mahilig ka kasi sa chismis, kwentong chicherya. Natatandaan yung pirma ng katrabaho pero hindi tanda yung pirma ng asawa.
It appears that it's around page 19. Can you confirm if this is your wife's signature?
I think I have no authority to confirm the signature even if she is my wife.
So you can confirm the signature of your NBI agent but not your wife?
Paano nangyari yun? Mas alam mo yung pirma ng agent mo kaysa sa asawa mo? Ilang buwan ka palang NBI director tapos ilang taon na kayo ng asawa mo? Baka yung agent mo yun yung asawa mo tapos yung asawa mo yun yung agent mo. Hindi ko maintindihan, Matibag, ang gulo mo.
Again, based on this rule, a witness can only testify based on his personal knowledge, correct?
Tama po, pero meron pong mga exceptions sa rule.
Alright, okay. If not based on personal knowledge, then that is hearsay, correct?
But it's not an absolute rule po dahil may exceptions nga po.
Ano ba yung hearsay sa Tagalog? Sabi-sabi or chismis? Is that a fair translation?
Hindi ko po alam kung anong translation dito sa Tagalog.
Okay.
Biruin mo 25 million per day tapos puro chismis lang pala yung matibag na yan. Kala ko kung anong pasabog pala ng sarili niyang kahiyan. Tapos tinanong kung anong Tagalog ng hearsay, hindi alam. Walang yaka naman no, tinalo ka pa ng grade 1. Walang kakwenta-kwentang witness tapos gumagastos kayo ng 25 million per day. Tapos yung isasalang nyo dyan mukhang chismosong tambay ng Manila Bay. 29 years lawyer tapos hindi alam Tagalog ng hearsay. Para madali, unahin mong Tagalogin yung hear. Tapos isunod mo yung say.
Kaninong ulo ang gustong tanggalin?
Objection as an answer, Your Honor. So prior to February 20, 2026, you do not have any personal knowledge of any investigation, correct?
Nababasa ko lang po sa balita ang mga pangyayari.
Which is not personal knowledge, correct?
Well, yun lang po yung knowledge natin.
You're a lawyer, correct?
Tama po, 29 years.
Can you recall Rule 130, Section 22 of the Rules of Evidence?
Can you refresh me, sir? Can you refresh me, sir?
Refresh you, of course. I have here a copy of Rule 130, Section 22 of the Rules of Evidence, and I'll read it. Please read with me, Director Matibag. Testimony confined to personal knowledge. A witness can testify only to those facts which he or she knows of his or her personal knowledge, that is, which are derived from his or her own perception. Will you agree with me that a witness can only testify based on his personal knowledge?
Your Honor, may I comment to that?
These are basic questions, Your Honor. The witness is a lawyer, he is competent enough to answer. I'm trying to look for the Filipino term for hearsay. Ano ba yung hearsay sa Tagalog? Sabi-sabi or chismis? Do you have personal knowledge of the theft incident involving Attorney Lopez's cell phone?
Wala po.
Wala. Do you have personal knowledge on the buffet in the House of Representatives?
Wala po.
Wala. Do you have personal knowledge on the person whom VP Sara talked to regarding the BM, FL, and the former speaker?
Wala po, dahil
Wala.
siya nakipag-usap.
Alright. Okay.
Buisit ka, wala ka naman palang personal knowledge. Eh, anong ginagawa mo dyan? Huwag mong sabihin makikikain ka lang dyan. Pwede ba pauwiin nyo na yan? O kaya umuwi lahat kayo tapos iwanan nyo siya dyan. Kasi tingnan nyo, hindi nyo nahalata. Nagtitrip lang. Hoy, Bongbong, yung bata mo yung sinasabi, iba-iba. Tinalo pa si Jollibee, bida-bida. Wala namang binatbat, puro forma. Loko talaga tong Bongbong na to, hindi marunong pumili ng alaga. Bibili lang ng aso, tanga pa. Biruin nyo, gusto nyong i-impeach si VP Sara dahil lang sa hearsay, ganon? Baboy na talaga yung Senado ngayon. Tapos nakakadiri pa yung panel ng prosecution. Kung hindi naglalaway, tumutulo yung sipon.
My next question is, your wife is also a member of the House of Representatives.
That is correct po.
And she is Representative Maria.
Your Honor, with all due respect, with regards to the wife of the witness is totally irrelevant.
It appears that your wife is one of the endorsers.
I think he's going to the position if my wife endorses the article of impeachment, yes, my wife is one of the endorsers of the impeachment.
Despite that spousal relationship that you admitted, you decided to appear and testify today, correct? But the court did not issue a subpoena for you to appear today.
Even if there's no subpoena in the pre-trial order, I was mentioned to be a witness. Well, I'm a lawyer and I know where you're going.
Your Honor, I take exception to that. I don't think Director Matibag knows where I'm going. In fact, I'm moving on to a new point.
Good morning, boys and girls. Buti yan, nakapag-harvest na tayo. At sa amin, nakapag-harvest na kami. Kakatanim lang eh. Hindi, buti na lang yung timing. Hindi yung bago aani, nakapag-ani na tayo.
Marcos Bangag. Marcos Bangag. Marcos Bangag. bangag, 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 bang 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 bangag, bangag, bang 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 bangag, bangag, bong, 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 kurap, bong, bong, kurap, kurap, 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 bangag, 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 bangag. Tagapagsinungaling, tagapagsinungaling, aso ng palasyo. Tagapagsinungaling, tagapagsinungaling, aso ng palasyo. Tagapagsinungaling, aso ng palasyo. Tagapagsinungaling, aso ng palasyo. Bong, 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 bong. Bangag, bangag, bangag. Loyalistang bangag, loyalistang bangag, loyalistang bangag, loyalistang bangag, bang 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 bangag, bang 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 bangag, loyalistang bangag, bang 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 bang. Imod tumbong, imod tumbong tumbong, imod tumbong, imod tumbong tumbong, imod tumbong, imod tumbong tumbong, imod tumbong, imod tumbong tumbong. Bangag, 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 bangag. Pad, 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 pad. Marcos bangag, Marcos bangag bangag, 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 bang bang, loyalistang bang 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 bangag, bang 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 bang, bang bangag, bangag bang 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 bangag. Tagapagsinungaling, aso ng palasyo. Tagapagsinungaling, tagapagsinungaling, aso ng palasyo. Tagapagsinungaling, tagapagsinungaling, tagapagsinungaling. Bong bong kurap, bong bong kurap kurap, bong bong kurap, bong bong kurap kurap, bong bong kurap, bong bong kurap kurap, bong bong kurap, bong bong kurap kurap. Bangag, bangag, bangag.
Ben, maawa ka, tama na. Kawawa na yung baby M namin.
Hoy mga tanga, hindi namin kayo titigilan hanggat di nyo sinusolo yung mga ninakaw nyo.